I think this is pork, no?
Which one? Pork?
From Zizi.
Hello, Nunu.
Okay.
I'm Nunu and then I'm Lily.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
We good. How are you, sir?
Good. I'm enjoying the meat here.
The meat is very nice.
Except the flies.
They also want
It's
to
been a
eat.
minute. I thought I'm gonna see you with Afro today, yes.
But look, I shot on 2 episodes. No, 2 different days with my Afro. So I'm sorry.
And what happened on that episode is that it's something that we did not take notice of. Ngibone after. Usisi that Sisi Ben Afro now you had the same hairstyle and people were like, oh, okay.
I actually noticed. She was so nervous.
Anyway, talking about the shoot. MT was supposed to shoot Net and Banana. MT.
Look at Lamina's face.
And then I thought MT wants to test his relationships. I didn't know MT wants to present Net and Banana. MT
He
the
wanted
artist.
to present. He DM'd me.
No, you guys niyathanda ukudlala kakhulu, so that's why nginibheka nje manikhuluma le.
For real.
Let me show you the DM.
I mean MT the hustler.
Is it what is the reason you want to break the stereotype?
That rappers cheat.
No, you guys are lying.
Promise
Maybe it's
you.
other MT. You're the MT.
But what confused me is that they wanna break the stereotype that rappers cheat, Mara. How? Because he's gonna be a presenter.
So he wants to present. Then he's not gonna break any stereotype.
What do you mean?
How? How is he gonna break it if he's going to
Yes,
present?
we thought we were gonna, interview him.
If we were gonna interview him, yes, that would be understandable. But if he's gonna present,
That doesn't make sense. Can I have the tissue, Lily? It didn't make sense that, Yes, but come on, I'm like, I thought he was shadowing me. When he DM'd.
But why is he quiet?
That guy, I'm about to turn this over Kyola to real plate.
Did he say anything after you said you're gonna talk to me?
He passed his number, obviously. We were talking.
No, on WhatsApp.
Oh, after I said you must thingy the number. No.
Let's call him.
So you're gonna talk to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
What's funny?
okay, I wasn't expecting this.
Right? Call him, Lily.
So you wanna call him?
I think it would have been great for the show, exposure.
Kakhulu, yeah. Kakhulu.
I wanted to into his
But now kuzoba uyena ozopresent.
Look, that's what he wanted to do.
Wena bese uba kuphi?
I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
well,
be
he
there.
didn't respond.
What am I gonna do there?
Let's call him.
MT the hustler.
It's offline.
I was offline. It seems like he was very serious because he was very, consistent.
So I don't know.
No, so if umlungu uyavuma nje kumele uqhubeke ukhulume naye.
Maybe
Talk to him for what?
And get him to come
You, Mdasakai.
since he wants to come.
no, but also like his communication. It's not.
Yeah, it's not good.
The communication is not communicating.
It's not good at all.
But you need to understand that it's MT the hustler.
Okay.
So
But I get it. He approached us.
yeah, that's another thing.
He said to you that he wants send a DM. Or something.
He did.
So when you were thinking that you are pleaded,
Ndiyazifila mna ndiyazitshela ufuna ntoni yanditshela kanti umntana abantu ufuna usebenza. I was so sure that he was shadowing me. I was so sure.
Buzothini uyakutshela?
I was not. No, it's not my type. Shem. Right here, but no. I also don't think I'm his type. He likes colored-looking girls. Now Never
Lisa
mind.
Siram,
Never
no.
mind.
Mm-mm.
Masiyeke
Masiyeke.
Masiyeke. But he would have been a great addition. Did you try and talk to him, man?
I'll talk to him.
Ngiyazama umfonela futhi mlo.
Anyway, I mean, I saw Lisa with Musa at the gym. I thought
Ingena
you were
plan
supposed,
uthethayo.
I thought you were supposed to train her.
Mlungu. Yabona
This is so hard.
if bekuya ngami bengesikhulume ngaleyo nto, but since we are here
Wow.
we might as well. Uyabo, we might as well break the ice because this ice has been there for the longest of time.
Why are we talking about it?
No, buza umlungu yena eqalile mina, I don't know.
Is Musa your personal trainer?
No.
Okay.
Angithi look, I've been wanting to lose weight, so he was just helping me out.
So what happened with me?
Mm-hmm.
No man, okay, listen, ngiyacela mfethu yazini mlungu. Yabo ngiyacela Lily, ngiyacela be as honest as you can.
What happened to you?
Ngiyacela, what happened with me? Because I'm the one who was supposed to, because that's what we agreed on.
Yeah.
Mina now.
Why did they?
And then the next thing sengibona ubafo ngathi I didn't even ask you ukuthi manje mina sowavelwa ngilaxaza kanjalo njengamafini kwenzakaleni. So I want to know from you what happened.
What if they took the idea from you?
The answer is simple. Musa happened to you.
Okay, let me rephrase the
Musa
question.
happened to you.
Let me rephrase the question. What changed your mind?
Nothing changed my
For
mind.
me assisting you,
Musa was just more aggressive in pursuing the gymming interaction.
while I was
When,
waiting for you to
you
say,
were not
because you put me on hold, you said to me, welcome Dlamini, you don't even call me by my name, you said Dlamini. You said Dlamini, okay, look, I'm busy at the moment, but as soon as I finish what I'm doing, I'll let you know and then we'll
I
start.
didn't say that, Lee.
Then we'll start.
You didn't even inquire or you know.
To a follow up.
Yes, you didn't. No, we didn't have that. Don't lie.
Do you
So
know-
are you saying Musa put more effort than him?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So that's your defense.
So we are Jimmy Savelle.
Hmm?
We are Jimmy Savelle.
Yeah.
I am Jimmy's.
What else would it have been, guys?
I am Jimmy's. Kuyabonakala futhi ukuthi I'm Jimmy's. Umona phansi.
Thank you.
But my worry is mfethu. Mina nasayikhuluma kahle phambi kwabantu. Savumelana. We even agreed on the price ukuthi uzobhadalisa malini.
But Dlamini, you did not follow up.
Musa might have done it for free.
Thank you, that's where I'm going. So okay, that is it, ne? Uyenza mahali.
Yes.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
No, I'm saying that is it.
Oh.
He's doing it for free.
Why are you doing this?
I didn't. I didn't do this. I said this is what
It's
I
not the
said.
same thing.
Why are you saying it when you are talking about?
I'm emphasizing.
If you
Why are you going there?
Mm.
I did not do this.
Mm.
I did this.
Mm.
Umqondo wakho ngcolile. Why are you here?
Lee did it.
Oh, no, I understand if usho kanjalo if
But Dlamini didn't follow up.
no. Let's put the following up aside.
Okay.
Uthe
When's
wena-
our squats?
uthe wena the reason is
When's
that
our squats?
Absolutely not.
awenzi
I
Why
don't
not?
want a big bum, Wasimna.
uba wathi
One-
ama-squat enze ama-big
They
bump.
make I know it's like sort of
Depending
a
which
butt
one.
lift, but
that-
It depends ukuthi
That
wenzani.
guy you gym with.
It depends ukuthi wenzani.
That guy you gym with, the one with the big
I don't my
ass.
goal.
That one is the
Dlamini,
king of squat.
My goal, Dlamini, is to just be thin, ne? And then I'll tone after I reach my goal weight. I don't want bumps. And it's like, how do I explain to South African men that Israel
That's a-
is the goal?
That's a problem ngabantu. They think isquat isenzani izinto.
Alifuna impundu mna.
It depends on what wenzani.
What do you
Because isquat ihlukene kaningi.
mean?
Yeah.
So if you want a butt lift, you can actually squat.
If you want a butt lift,
Mm.
you do glutes. Glutes are for butt lift.
Would that be lunges then?
Would be yes, lunges.
Oh, so I mustn't squat, I must do lunges.
If you want to,
I don't want a big bum. Do you know what it?
That guy, sorry to go, that to go this direction. Yeah? But if that guy has such a big ass, ne? Imagine now if he has to date a girl.
With a smaller ass.
Who was
I don't think he'll date a girl with a smaller ass. He'll look for someone who's
straight.
He's straight. He has kids.
Who is he talking about? Who are you talking
The
about?
king of squad.
The king of quads.
Oh, you gym with him?
That's my brother. Why are you doing this?
Don't lie.
Yeah, I think he's
I'm not lying.
Brother.
Why should I lie?
Really?
The king of squads.
Check him now, Kuleko Dlamini.
The king of squads.
Why are you doing this? Leave the flies alone.
Yo, that guy.
Let them test you. They want to test how you feel.
Sis Lamin.
But he has numbers. I saw.
Too much. He's going around the country.
He's killing it.
He's been everywhere.
Is he squatting?
Squats on. That's what he does.
So he just goes to squat?
That's what he does.
I wanted to.
Burkina Faso, Nigeria.
I
He's
saw
been there.
Nigeria. Guys,
Ethiopia. This guy's been there.
are you serious?
I wanted to ask something, Dlamini. Yeah?
Mm.
Why women like Isgebengu or they like taking such big risk? Because women, I feel like these days they're not scared to date the attack.
Not all women. Not all women.
I even see comments on social media saying a man must have a gun. Into the male in his palm.
Into danger in spam.
So, do you ever think or this GPV thing is gonna end if women are attracted to such kind of men? Like about Thabo Bester, about Kate Matlala.
As much as everyone is trying to go to GPV pay, I don't think.
I also don't think so. I think it has to do with the woman's background, and then other women just date from hunger. So usually Isgebeng will have a lot of money, whether it's Ikinza or a criminal usually has a lot of money.
Yeah.
So it all has to do with dating from hunger, Lily, even if you're being beaten or a background.
And abanye abantu besifazane banesibindi. Yeah, okudlula amanye amadoda. Banesibindi.
I feel like women are brave more than guys.
Yeah. Nje banesibindi mfethu. Esinzima.
As a woman can sleep in someone else's house without being scared.
Yeah. Akhumula benguna lale kanje ya.
You're not lying.
But Tina, ask guys, have you seen how much men don't want to go to a lady's house?
Yes, because anyone might go in. The guy who pays rent.
He can't go to a woman and sleep there if a woman has a husband.
True.
But women do it.
Yeah, they do.
So do you see the bravery?
Yeah.
If it happens ukuthi umjita ahambe olala endlini umuntu wesifazane akalali.
Yeah.
Akalali.
One eye will be open.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry, what's your juice? Is that orange juice, Lamini?
Mango.
Sorry, can I please have orange juice?
That's why abana. That's why I
What
got
juices
mango.
are there?
Liquid fruits.
Yeah, what juices? What flavors? Sorry.
Okay. So let me go and check the favorite.
Okay. Thank you.
So abantu besifazane bane
I'm not one of them.
abasabi.
I'm not one of them.
There was another video where a woman says, "Umuntu wami melanchaye."
What?
You know it?
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want melanchaye.
Yeah.
Because maybe she grew up in an environment where women were being beaten. That's why I'm saying it has
You
a lot to
think
do
that's
with
the
your
case?
yes, it
Do
has
you
a
know-
lot to
do
do
you
with
know-
your
do you know-
upbringing, the
do
way
you
you
know-
grew up.
Do you know the amount of women who go open cases and the following day they go
They
close
go
them
and close it. Yes.
I know.
because of what? Mjolo.
I
Why?
know.
Let
But
me have
guys,
one
it's a woman's upbringing. I promise you.
Bamshaya umuntu bamvale ubuso.
I
She
think
will
that
go
they
and
have
open the
melanchaye.
case. She will go and open the case. The following day she will go back to say I'm closing the case.
Yeah.
And the policeman will ask her, why do you have to close the case? Ngiyamthanda.
Sis.
Sohamba soyilungisa.
No, guys, no.
And amount uyabheka kakhulu amaphoyisa ama-family matters awawangeni kakhulu. So if you as a woman you decide ukuthi sizohamba soyilungisa bayakekelwe uyahamba. You go back to that person, they beat you again. You go back to the police station uvula icase futhi.
Look at how they're glorifying Kate Matala's Woolworths
That
back.
criminal.
The
Yes,
the
they
Woolworths back.
Mm.
So right now, women glorify that bag because now it represents money.
Mm-hmm.
Even gents are doing that. Not the only women, even gents are glorifying it.
Yes, and even gents look up to rich men. Bonaqal. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Nice one.
Yeah,
I'll
I'll
take the
sort that out
passion.
too.
The passion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's how bad it is.
It's very bad.
So I don't think GBV will end.
Angeke iziphele
It
mina.
won't.
Angeke.
And also like even Thabo Bester. Women like Thabo Bester.
Do they?
Too much. When
They even
I
say-
was ukuthi ndiyamthanda.
They even say
No.
they even say now I understand why Makutuman
Did what she did.
Makuthumela,
fell in love with this guy. If you check like videos online, you'll see that people they are saying they now understand why. They're even saying,
Mom.
oh, by the way, do
True.
you know what there are women outside who are dating men who are in prison?
in prison, yes.
They get them through Facebook. Those guys were shout out through Facebook, and
Why
those
would you
guys
do that?
those guys have money. Then they send them money, and then when that guy comes out of prison, the relationship continues.
Mm.
Anyenesibindi bafazi.
I want to even Thabo Bester. It's the same story that is going on. There's a lot of people right now who are actually doing that. Who are actually
Yeah,
dating people who are still in prison. Some they even go to visit
To
them.
visit them. Hey.
So
It's normal.
And they are given a privacy.
privacy.
Yeah, they bribe the prison. What? It's bad out there. Like
So these guys are actually not in prison because that's not prison.
They are
It's a
enjoying
hotel.
themselves. Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
point, Gore, as long as there's still money, this JPV might not end because people will just sacrifice their happiness for money.
For the sake of
And,
money.
and the
yes.
other problem, even if someone has money, I'm not attacking women, but even if a woman has money, she will still want more. So even
True.
if you're independent, like Nandi was independent, she had her own hospital thing going on.
You know what I
But
think?
she still went.
I think she was bored. You know, sometimes you can have everything as a woman, and sometimes a man that is healthy, when the relationship is a healthy relationship, the other partner gets bored. So they go out to look for like a new adventure.
She was married, remember?
Yes, so she was bored. The husband
And
maybe
then-
was perfect,
And
and
then that adventure kube into ukuthi inobugebengu phakathi.
yes, sometimes even like sex, bondage sex, because the
Abanye they
husband
go-
doesn't do it.
Yeah, abanye they go as far as inviting abanye abantu to have sex with them.
Yes.
Mm.
So I think with her, I think it was that she was bored.
It's like always doing it in bed now. You're like, I can't.
Senkhathele,
You,
yeah.
I will never get tired of that. I'm a dead fish. I'm a dead fish. You are
People want to
Empedeni
go.
kuphela.
People want
Why?
outside balconies.
I'm not adventurous.
Eshaweni,
Why, Suga?
kitchen counter.
Why, Suga? No. So, when you go back, put it. Pie, right straight.
So where is the enjoyment
You
when
are
ngabe
under
sishaye?
Sekhaya. You are under Sekhaya.
So when it's
Sibadala, man, guys.
mana it's umama nobaba wena ulaqedile done.
Yes. If you want something else, I'm accommodating, but I can't need to see.
Awuzumnyakazo
You
uzoyithulela.
are Asana. Lie like a dead fish.
Istyle sezinja.
Simnandi ke futhi esezinja.
It happens, but I'll always be at the bottom.
Amen. Lily, you are lazy.
Very. In bed.
When it comes to
Very. I don't know why my exes come back. And yes,
I was about to ask the same question. Why are they keep
I
coming
don't know.
back? Why do
But
they keep coming back?
a girl can be boring, but the actual thing could be good. I'm not
But
saying
it's-
it's mine is good,
It's
but
only good when you're moving. If you're not moving, it's not good.
no, sometimes it's good according to the tightness, sometimes it's good because of the warmness, sometimes you don't have to move.
So you know,
And he hasn't so many. No, I don't know.
bayakutshela
I
kodwa.
haven't had sex with myself.
Mana bayakutshela labo suba. Because if they don't tell you, if they don't tell you, kumele uzame abanye abantu abazokutshela.
I don't want to have that conversation.
Mana, what I'm saying is, if they don't tell you ukuthi umnandi noma cha,
Mhm.
ngibone lo yasisi lo the episode we shot ngimnandi yini noma bese ungitshela. So if they are not telling you if umnandi noma cha, kumele uzame abanye abantu abazokwazi ukutshela.
Are
But I
you
didn't
encouraging?
answer
Are
your
you?
question.
But now, Dlamini,
But I didn't answer your question.
Angizwa mlungu.
Ungathi you are encouraging cheating now.
No.
No,
Wow,
please,
Thumela
please
Azani.
don't.
Akajoli Lisa.
Oh.
So it won't be
Bengazi
cheating.
mina phela.
No.
Me, I know akajoli.
I'm single. I'm not going to answer that question, but all I'll say is that
Will you ever go for Stembu?
no.
Michael.
No.
But amantombazana do always say no until like it happens.
Mm-mm.
They always say no, I can't do that, I can't share, man.
I'd never.
What if the man that you like
What?
wants you
Mm-mm.
to share him?
Man, is it a matter of not
Guys, I'm the
wanting to
only-
share a man or
I'm the only child. I've never even had to share my parents. I'm not going to go share a man.
But what if
I
lo
can-
muntu
no.
uyamthanda?
No, I can love him from afar.
Akusiyo
I can
uthando,
love him from
yeah,
afar.
akusiyo
What if
uthando.
inhliziyo yakho ayivumi?
I've had to force my heart to let go of men before. He's not going to be difficult to let go of.
Ukhona umuntu wesilisa wakwamthanda ngendlela yokuthi uyitshela ukuthi noma ngenzakalani whatever noma ngenzani yena personally ngizohlala naye
No.
akekho.
And for you to have that attitude, you just need to love yourself. I love you, but I love myself more. The problem with women is that they usually love the man more than they love themselves. You can't love a man unconditionally. My love is very conditional. You cheat, I'm gone. You slap me, I'm out.
You spit on me, I'm gone.
I'm gone. That really is so annoying. But have you gone through that? Really? Where you're like, no matter what she does, I'm not going anywhere. Men are not like that.
Never.
Exactly. Now, why must we be like that?
Besifuna ukwazi ngithi.
I'm just a kind.
Bakhona abanjalo nje.
There are a lot of women that don't love themselves.
You're eating.
I'm done. Thank you so much.
The waste. Mali kamlungu.
I mean that meat is hard.
No, your jaw is not healed properly.
No, it hasn't. Oh my goodness. Lily, what's next?
What's next where?
Today.
Meet
In terms of
Oh,
seeing
Anna,
TV and work and so forth.
Oh.
I'm just enjoying this.
When I say ngiyakwazi phela, if you ask ukuthi what's next, something that involves something.
You didn't know what You
this tombol is nice. You know,
Mnandi.
we used to eat this emakaya too much.
at some point I wanted it, but you are as an
Uyakwazi ukupheka
No,
utombolo,
no,
steam bread.
no.
Awukwazi?
Why did you ask me that? You just had to ask me that, Lemon,
Yeah.
because you knew I couldn't cook shit.
No, ngifuna abantu bazi vele ukuthi umuntu inhloboni kaPende wena. I want people to know.
Yes, the men I've dated don't give a shit.
Ngoba nabo bala abasile emakhanda.
But Lamini, they are men who don't care, and they just want your presence.
La
What do you think makes them?
What's
them?
this?
abasile emakhanda.
What do you mean?
Ungasi lokho. Okay, say uyamthola umuntu onjalo, right? Akakhona ukuklina, akakhona ukupheka, akakhona ukwenza lutho. Into ayivukelayo ekseni uvuka ageze, ahlala ku sofa,
Or go
ahlale
to
ku
the
Netflix,
spa.
or go to the spa, or go girls out, or in
Or study.
or singayifaki study ngoba
Okay.
right. Uyamthanda, but akakhona ukwenza lezi ezinye izinto. Remember
Like house chores.
yes.
But he doesn't want a maid. He wants you.
No, you're not being a maid, mawenza kanjalo. You're not being a maid.
I'm saying that's why he doesn't care, though.
Ngoba la ekhanda kasile.
So my exes are serious.
Abasile ubatshele futhi anginandaba. Anginandaba. Indaba yami it goes as far as ake sithi umuntu now decides to ukushada. Right? Now remember, if umuntu wesilisa ekushada, wena la ushadela khona, awushadi yena yedwa. Right? Unabosisi, unabobhuti, unomama, unobaba, unani nani.
True.
I understand. So there's a time la kuwena njengomuntu wesifazane ekumele akuthatha kise kubo.
Yothini kokwabo?
Yes. Uyakubo.
Kuyovasa ifestiri.
Not to prove a point to anyone, but to show ukuthi you can take care of indodana yabo. You understand? Nezinto ezisimple. Uvuke ekseni ubeka amanzi, uvuke ekseni wenza breakfast.
I do that.
Bavuso hayi wena kuphi khona. Bavuso wena.
When I'm sleeping over at my man's house.
But also there is something
But
that
I'm not gonna
clarify.
I'm not gonna do things that I didn't have to do at home as a child.
But now you're not at home.
But
I'd rather lose him. If
Lisa,
I get to his family home and I'm expected to be domesticated.
That's not being domesticated.
I wanna
I'm
add,
just
I wanna
saying.
add something.
I'm just
I feel like in most cases, when men get married, they make their wives to be wives of their brothers and their mothers,
Thank you.
and it's not supposed to be like that.
Thank you.
You can't overwork your wife
I
because you want to
saw
impress your family.
You are so zen.
Now,
I'm just saying, like some people do that. Your wife is your wife. It's not your mother. It's your wife. It's not your.
I have to
That's
cook
why-
for
that's
your
why-
10 brothers and sisters. And this way,
That's why sometimes they end up mistreating you because they have that thing about you must do it. You magoti.
I'm not a maid. I'm a makoti. But I think I've been very blessed in the mother-in-laws I've had as well.
Nah,
Oh, you've
but
been mother-in-law. You've had mother-in-law. When?
Yes.
Okay.
I have an ex-fiance. I've been very blessed in the mother-in-laws I've had. I'm saying in-laws because I've met the other mothers, but of boyfriends, not fiancés. They've never expected me to do such.
Okay.
You know, that conversation doesn't even come up. And it makes sense because their sons are also like that.
Ungitshela ngabantu bala eGoli.
Do you get me?
Ungitshela ngalabantu eGoli. I
I
understand.
am.
Yes.
You.
I understand. So mosho kanjalo. I understand.
But I've been with a Zulu guy from Durban.
Okay.
Yeah, from Durban.
Wow,
From
Shabili.
Durban.
Yes.
Supposed to be
Wow.
from where?
Ngikhuluma umuntu wasemakhaya mina.
For you, I'm the Sakaya. I don't think it would work between me and the Makaya guy. It would not work. I think we would
Futhi umuntu
clash.
umthandile
Our
mfethu.
souls. Not more than me. I love you, but I love me more. So therefore, I'm not doing shit. So we're not having
No wonder you're still singing.
I'm single because I'm picky. I'm single because I'm
Very
picky.
picky.
I'm picky. When I'm single because I'm washing.
You are very picky.
How do you
Koze
know?
kudlule nomuntu right. No, koze kudlule nomuntu right. Uhleli naye kanje.
Literally, you think I'm picky?
Of course.
Ungabuza umuntu mina I know you are picky. Me I know you are picky. I know.
But you must be picky as a person.
No. Not to the point la ukuze kudlule khona umuntu right because wena we are being picky.
You are very picky, Lisa.
I did.
Which is not wrong.
once-
I did.
Which is not wrong.
Last week I asked Amin
No.
or will you date Lisa? He said no.
Angeke. Futhi
David would never.
futhi nje ngeke. I can still repeat it.
He doesn't want to give himself a headache.
Ngeke.
He doesn't want to give
I'm like, I'm
himself.
not that bad.
Yabona I still want to
You're not
live
saying you're
long.
bad.
I did fumble a man this year. Right.
Okay.
It was perfect. There was this one time I wrote on my status about, oh my gosh, I really need a car. That man gave me his Mercedes.
Okay.
Ne? I fumbled the guy. As I said, why I fumbled him? He had these black ass lips.
Huh?
He had black lips, right?
Okay.
And he always had red eyes. And when we first met, I thought, no, maybe he's tired. He's gonna be fine. But this nigga always had red eyes and these black lips. And I'm just like, I'm gonna have to kiss these black lips. And he had red eyes all the time. And I tried to find, because we met through a friend. I'm like, friend, is he a stoner? Does he smoke weed? Because it's for me, it's such a dirty look to have red eyes all the time. You have red eyes all the time. Your lips are, and he was not dark skinned to have black lips. You understand? Yeah. I don't mind if you smoke weed, but don't look like it. So it was just that I could not stand that look. So then I ended the things.
But did you even try to talk to him about it?
I didn't. I couldn't, because how was I supposed to say it?
Lisa.
And the guy was perfect.
Okay. Whoa, Lisa. Lo bekumuntu wakho. Right?
And I had to wait for him to fetch his car first before I breaking up with
Yabo.
him. Well, not breaking up with him, we were seeing each other.
mfethu bekuwumuntu wakho. You have a right yokukhuluma nomuntu wakho with
You are
whatever.
honest. How was I supposed to say it?
Okay. Let's say uyathandana nomuntu. Then he does something that you don't like. Yabo? What do? You just ngoba wenzele
But
wonto-
he didn't do anything that I didn't
My
like.
point
He
exactly.
looked the way he
My
looked.
point exactly. If there's something oyibonayo kumina ongayithandi, hlala phansi nami. Ubuzeke if you wanna understand.
There is a
me.
doctor
Why-
for.
why are your
there's a
eyes
doctor
always
for
red?
eyes.
Thank you.
But it was weed. Didn't have eye problems.
Okay. Akulona
Oh,
icala.
so you know why?
Okay, askisi. Akulona icala ukukubuza ukuthi why amehla kahle ezibomvu. Awungithuki, you are not insulting me, uyabuza.
Okay.
I will tell you ukuthi why amehlo amahle ezibomvu. You understand? Mfethu ngiyakuthanda. Why unama lips amnyama kanje? Right? Umlungu njengobesho kunalabo dokotela benza lezi zinto lezi ama lips abe. It's something that you could have done.
I do that as well.
Yabona ke ubungamthatha umise lapho uyilungise leyo uqhubeka udrive in Mercedes
Message. Hey, Dlamini.
So wait,
yandicaphukisa
guys,
sana.
what is it about weed that people are obsessed with weed?
And I've never dated a man who smokes weed before.
What is it?
So it was
No.
also I didn't. You know.
mina I have friends that smoke weed. Kunomuntu othi mayibhema insango noma ungahlala naye kanje you'd never know ukuthi ubhema insango.
Yes, that's okay. I
Yabona-
like that. Yeah.
Even if ekhuluma nawe kanje angeke uzuze ukuthi ubhema insango. Then there are those
Yeah, that's my problem. The ones who show
athi mayingena endlini ingena insango kuqala
and they look like it
then
as
they
well.
look like.
You are guys.
So-
You are. Yeah, Mona, that's my problem.
That's another thing ecaphukisa abantu abaningi ukuthi okay ubhema insango, why
But
do you
why do you
smell
have to
like
look like, and why
why
do
do you
you
have to
look
look like
it?
insango? You
Even
understand?
people drink alcohol. Okay, you drink.
It's
Why do
fine.
you look like you
Yeah,
drink?
ungafani notshwala.
You are under the guy.
Kunabantu abaphuzayo ngeke ubabone ukuthi bayaphuza utshwala.
Yes.
You don't have to show.
Hayi uphuza nje kahle. Kamnandi. Kamnandi.
Ungabuthi
Momtshela na
utshwala.
bayitshela ukuthi ngiyaphuza uzumphikisa uthi awunamanga. Yaphuza utshwala.
But yeah,
Now
I fumbled.
fambulile,
I
awufambulile.
did. But it's a shame it can't be fixed.
It can't be fixed.
It can't be fixed.
Why not?
She's very picky.
I also think I don't want to fix it.
No,
because
inkinga
how am
yakho-
I
inkinga
gonna
I think
yakho
she
is-
didn't
fix
like
his
him
eyes?
enough.
No, inkinga yakho yazi ngini?
It was those eyes.
Let me
guys,
tell you a
and the
problem.
lips.
Ukuthi awuyena lo muntu othanda ukwenzani ukuzehlisa. Yabona
I don't mind.
if you can swallow that your pride and go back to him and say
It wasn't about pride. I don't even mind going back to him.
do it.
Okay,
I don't think I want to go back.
She
So I
doesn't
don't
like
think
him
it can
enough.
be fixed.
yeah, she doesn't like him enough.
So awumthandi ngendlela ukuthi ungabuyela kuyena.
No.
I mean,
But I did fumble though.
watch on.
Mina
Una baby mama.
mina ngijoli nginemama mina.
Seven is married.
Mina nginemama mina.
A baby mama.
Last time you said you were singing.
Angishadile.
I know you have a baby mama.
Yeah.
Last time you said you're singing. I'm paying cash now.
That was last time. Isikhathi sahamba.
But your baby mama has
I
been
was
around
attached.
which means you were lying.
No, I was not lying.
It's fine.
Kwaba neyinkinga ezabakhona. Sabuyela zalunga and then saqhubeka.
One was to play. She.
I had to be a bigger man.
That's so nice.
I said-
I don't mind doing that. I
Ngathi
don't
mama-
mind doing that.
Ngathi ngiyazi ukuthi umoshile. Yabo?
Binguye
Why
Futhi
emotional.
ungaphinde ungijwayele kabi.
Why don't
Binguye emotional.
you know, ask.
No, no.
It was just into encane.
Please keep your women. The dating pool, Sana, is nonsense. There's a lot of rubbish in the dating pool. The
Kungcolile.
dating pool has pee in it. Do you know pee?
Kungcolile lapho. I don't
But
wanna
I
go
am
back
considering someone, shame. But I'll see if he's consistent.
there. Ngiyamazi.
You do know him.
No,
How
No,
well-
not personally,
how
not
well-
personally.
Oh,
No, but
okay.
but not personally. But you do know him very well.
oh, yeah, Mazu. I mean,
You also know him.
the guy.
Not personally.
Is it your ex? Is it someone?
No, it's not an ex. It's someone new.
Okay.
I'm considering him, and I'm sure I'm
Phela
quite
wena
excited
exes are always
about.
coming back, so we'll never know which.
No, you did about please. I want a new man. Yo,
Bambile,
because the
bambile.
whole year it's been exes coming back. I'm like, no, guys, can I have a new man, darling?
What does it do?
I can't say that.
Just a hint, a clue.
Green and yellow, red.
Green and yellow, red.
Ooh.
Green and yellow, red,
Red and black.
and black. Which of it?
No. I can't say.
Is he in the same industry as you?
I can't say.
Okay, that question was open, which means he's in the same industry.
No, he's not.
He's not.
You, I don't prefer men in the same industry as me.
Yabona le nto izongidla ke because angimazi lo muntu.
I also don't want to jinx it. That's why. The day we seal the deal, I'll tell you, oh, it's this person.
I don't even know why I'm rushing because I know very. Eventually, I know.
Eventually.
Ngizawumazi.
Yes. I'll tell you
Awuza- oh,
the day
yini Khosana, awuzame.
the day it doesn't work, okay, the day it works.
Lila awuzama ukuhlala. Yini bawo.
No, it's up to him. Kaloku.
Khawuncede, not you.
What
No,
about-
if it's inconsistent, there's nothing I can do
What about
about
the
that.
celebrities like you?
Hmm?
Celebrities.
I don't know because I don't like them.
You don't like them? Why?
Celebrity guys. Firstly, they think they're the prize
And abaphilimpile
and they
ntoni la?
cheat.
They cheat a lot, no?
No. I've been there. No, thank you very much.
You've dated a celebrity before?
Lee, don't answer him. Lee knows him.
Me, I'm asking you. I'm not asking him.
Oh yes. But every girl in Johannesburg, I'm sure has dated you in Johannesburg, Vele. So,
Not every girl.
but most, or rather,
You hear, they are here, so.
yes. so
What's
that's-
in
it's not a-
Bujia?
Who?
San Buj.
What about her?
Yeah, they dated celebrities. They dated
Yes, like it's not in
KB.
Johannesburg. It's not.
Prince KB.
Yo.
Prince KB has never hit on you.
No, you angalinge.
Wena ubani omfunayo wena? Bonke.
Like, no, it's not that there's anything wrong with it, but no sex tape sana ziphandle
Eish.
uzoplita mna undiplita please. But you know, there are people that hate me because I think highly of myself, and I think that's crazy because if I don't think highly of myself, who must think highly of me? Must I wait for you guys to think highly of me?
No.
You know, there are people who hate me because I think highly of myself.
Just for that.
That's crazy. I don't understand that.
Umsangani.
Yes, it's like, oh yes, jealous. But if I don't
Angeke
jealous
uzondela
myself,
ukuthi ngiyazithanda.
I but dude, that is so weird.
Where you stay right now,
Mm.
will you ever date? Because I know that there are probably celebrities staying there.
Wash uthe
They
uthe
are.
ayi4. Uthe ayi4 mangaki? You said 402.
I didn't give you a number. Did I give you a number?
You did. You said 402.
Oh really?
You said not much. They are just 402.
Do you
That
think
I
you,
know of.
do you think you will date someone there?
No, I'll never.
Why?
Oh, yinto mntana upiki.
Andifuni mani indoda sibhatala iranda eyi-1 namna nawe. Yo, mntasekhaya khawundimele. Hayi andizokwazi bhuti man. Hayi I'll never. I'll never. It will be a different story, for example, if I was in Steyn City. Ne? You know, Steyn City has apartments and then it's got houses on the other side. But today, I in my apartments and then ezindlini. But so much flatini.
Same kitchen,
You are Amdasekaya. No,
same style, everything.
no. But you guys, why are you guys
Yeah,
acting like I'm the only picky one here?
You are only picky one that we know.
Why
Okay,
are you
fine.
saying you're the only, like, are you saying we are also
You're also
picky?
picky. You're also picky. Udlamini would never date a girl that drinks alcohol. Udlamini wants a girl that doesn't go to the club. That's picky.
That's not being picky.
That's being picky.
He's picky.
What if the girl really loves you and she does everything else well?
But she only goes to the club.
I say yeah.
That's exactly you
I
picky.
say yeah, but I say what is saying.
Exactly. No Lee.
Mina ngenza.
Nothing. What were you gonna say?
I mean, do you get girls hitting on your DMs?
All the time. Even older women.
Oh,
Would you date an older woman?
mina ngifuna nemali. Ukuthi abanemali abakafiki.
Oh, really?
Mangangena nemali.
Ungam-entertain
I was
her.
gonna hook him
Yeah.
up, but I'm going to hook up, so I'm gonna suggest.
Why don't you
anything.
hook him up? Because you have access.
Mlungu angisize phela bro.
There are women with money out there that are bored.
I know a lot of women with money.
Yabona mangaqhamuka
They
nemali.
stay alone. They have a house,
Exactly.
houses, and stay alone.
Why don't you hook Lamini up?
Mina mlungu mina nawe benthi
I don't want to sell Lamin. I don't want
But
to
that's
sell.
what I
I want to
want.
sell Lamini.
Yeah, that's selling Lamin. I don't want to sell you.
That's what I want.
But he's asking you
Umuntu, you have a
to.
person. Imagine manje sewenza nje mawuceda bakunika
I don't
imali.
want to see that disgusting
And
video.
then mawuceda bakunika imali.
Thathe ngithumele kuma wengane ngithi yondla ingane. Mina ngicabangela ingane yami.
Oh no, you
Mina
did. Lamini.
mina ngicabangela ingane yami mina. I don't care what happens to me.
What if utwele?
Ngeke isebenze la kumina.
How
Ngoba
do you-
uNkulunkulu engimthandaza umkhulu kakhulu.
Lamin, you are making enough money.
I hear you, Jams.
Kubi mlungu. I'm not making enough money.
P.
Mlungu ngicela ungizame mlungu ngiyacela.
Just
Ungihlanganise
because of
newe
that
wami.
situation, you think he's making enough money?
I don't want
The
to
situation thing that you don't want to call the name.
Yes.
I understand. Lesiye kanjani.
I don't want to encourage bad things.
But it's
I
not
think
bad.
you should sell him.
Now don't put it that way. Ukuthi mina ngidayisa. It's not selling me.
Sorry.
If you were struggling with rent, then I was gonna make at least hook you up.
Ngistruggle ngemali amapampers
Ah,
nebisi.
you are lying. You are lying.
But abangisize bangangeni ku-DM yami ngempela because
Abantu banemali bayahluka.
Yeah, but not Lamini. I always get scared.
Umuntu
if you
uzokubiza 3 times a day uzokhona.
amlanda.
You are a Lamini.
3 times a
You've got
day.
stamina, ne?
Too much. Yo, see too much. See too much.
And those women are very sexual, Lily, ne?
Oh, see too much.
But I mean, will you have a sexual what with someone you're not attracted to?
As long as unginike imali.
You are betuna.
Uzophuza izinto what
As
impezu.
long as you give me money.
Uzomphuzela
Yeah,
impezu.
hlanganisa umpesu namahewu. Ngenze kanje, ngiqale ngichathe kuqala. Bete.
Do you know?
After
Do you know some guys they bait?
Bayazicima.
Best paid
Yeah.
Ufaka isyringe empundu.
Ini?
To put the syringe in the bum.
Yeah.
And so you thing. I used to cry all the time when my granny used to do it.
Kuyasiza kodwa ukupeta.
Bayabhayita ba then bathi impezu namahewu baphuza.
Zulu guys,
Into bazokwenza yona.
you are.
Ngithi 1 liter leyo mntu yamahewu. Le 1 liter. Thatha umpeso ufake phakathi. Wenza ucuzu.
Upeta kuqala.
Uqala upete kuqala. Uyapeta uqala 1 hour after painting. Hlale 1 hour. Hlanganise lento ucukuze bese uyayishaya. Yabo? Bese uthi gala gaqa. Uthe ngifike kwakho ngasikhatsini ngo6. Mina ngishaya ngo5. Ngithi 1 hour before.
What does it do?
Awuchami.
You are Afutek Kama. I Afutek. 10 minutes is more than
Kuphuka
enough.
iqolo lapha.
No.
10 minutes
So,
is enough.
so
Never 10 minutes.
So when you funa laba babaqama fast. Maka some
Oh, you said Bolt.
Vele men with money come first.
Maka come in 3 minutes.
Laba nemali babeka isandla vele kanje.
Qeqiwe.
Useless.
There was a
Useless
time.
people.
There was a time I was asking, "Oh my God, is he done? Are you done, babe?" I told him, "Oh, okay." That you I got. I'm not happy. But I stayed, and we dated for a long time,
For how long? For how long?
like 9 months.
No, you said Bolt.
9 months is decent.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Sheesh,
But
stepson.
I was very unsatisfied in that relationship.
Every time.
But he did everything else right.
Lisa, 10 minutes right.
Why didn't you recommend him to?
Inins.
You have recommended him to
So-
date.
I didn't know really about that.
So what if when awufiki e Garden of Eden ngalo 10 minutes? What happens?
That's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Awunankinga.
Vele, most of the time, Vele, women don't. Most of the time, we don't.
Wait.
It's the guy that. And sometimes, it's finished. It's finished when the guy comes.
Then now so
But you
Not
feel?
that you're right, but most of
that
the.
thing yaphela.
Yeah.
Do you think we are selfish?
I think you are.
No, that's being selfish vele.
It
Come
is
umuntu
being
osazana
selfish.
ngakaqhamu.
But there are guys who.
She must
who
come
wait.
before you come.
But then there are guys who can't. Sometimes Shake is not that he's being selfish, he can't help it.
Bafethu amanye
Most of the time, women don't come. Most of the time.
mina ngiyakubuza.
Oh, Dlamini.
Angehli
You one of a kind.
Hayi angehli wakasho. Unokuhamba ukhuluma kabi
You are
ngeke.
one of a kind.
Yeah, but it's also good to ask so that you know. Yeah,
Hey.
just to show that you're not
Yeah.
selfish.
Yeah. Ungazicabangeli wena wedwa.
It's
Because
like
ufikile
it's like those that buy they don't care to.
Yabona
I'm
and that
sure
was
they
understandable
don't.
Yeah.
because
I'm
vele,
thinking,
yabo.
I'm sure they don't.
That's why also women don't like it if you come and then you leave, you go do something else. You must
Abayithandi.
cuddle.
Yazi
You can
okay,
companies.
yazi bathi
You must cuddle.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lily.
mlungu bathi mawuqeda uchama most of 99.9% abantu besifazane this is what they are saying. Mawuqeda uchama athi musu kuyikhipha iyeke ihlale khona lapho phakathi.
You?
Angithi mayihleli phakathi lokho
I
so
can't stand
so
it.
enjoy leyo nto leyo lokithi. Ungathi wena mawuqeda uchama uyayikhipha so bheka lena awusanandaba.
The last guy I dated was big, he was not fat,
Mm.
but he was a big guy. He was tall and then kusuka kaloku. Yes. Hi, So I think I'm Dlamini, man.
He was heavy.
He was big.
So imagine
and he was the perfect body. No, he was not fat. He was a tall, masculine guy, medium sized. He was not fat at all. Hot man. But obviously, I was tiny compared to him. So that the moment Dlamini is talking about,
Awusamfuni ucela kwakho.
So when Lisa, do you prefer watching after mele ukhatle naye or it doesn't matter?
No, I want to cuddle.
Okay.
But I've never had to communicate it.
Most of the
it's
women
always
they
been
feel,
offered.
they feel disrespected if you are calm and then you just turn your back.
That's never happened to
Or
me.
what is in your
Thank
phone?
God.
Uba busy ngefoni
Yeah.
kube ngathi awumzwanga uyabo
Or what busy phone labangani bakho?
abangani bakhe
I go
uyabasheka
crazy.
yabo. kuba nezinto eziningi ezenziwa
I can imagine. I'm disappointed.
Yabo ukuthi umjolo is deep.
It's deep.
Yeah.
It's deep.
It's not
It's
just
very deep.
the basic stuff. It's very
It's very
deep.
deep,
Yeah.
especially.
It's like
I'm
cuddles.
too
You see
much
cuddles. In most relationships people don't cuddle. And cuddles are also like important.
yeah ngoba niyakhuluma
In most relationships, people don't cuddle.
Oh, they don't.
I feel
Especially-
like people date people who don't love them, guys. Nah. There's no way.
Some
There's
things
no
are
way that you've had those
some things I feel like it's a
experiences.
lack of knowledge
You think so?
and ignorance.
You are, guys.
People are ignorant.
I don't relate. I'm sorry. And Zenzina better. I don't
because ngama
relate.
cuddles is that way you get chance ukuthi nikhulume umtshela manga la
If you don't
umtshela
talk,
wona.
then you know.
And also I feel like women must not use that opportunity ukucela izinto.
izinto
Oh, I
yeah
get
ma allowance afika khona ke lapho.
I feel like that is where you should just chill.
Oh yini
That's why you should just chill.
bayimosha lapho
Oh,
yeah bayimosha lapho nithi nisahleli kamnandi niyakhulumela ku right ayishintshe topic
But not all the time, but sometimes it's an opportunity to tell. Like the playlist
You
that
guys
I-
are using that as an opportunity to attack.
because we write too soft. That's why they say soccer players must not have sex before a match,
yeah
because yes, so it's a perfect time to
No, because you know, ne, as a man, ne, once you come,
yabuya
yeah. That's why they say before you make any bad decision, rather come first.
yeah
And then
Really?
and then
Then
think
think, yeah.
again, ukuthi, is it the right decision now?
Oh my God, what is it called? Nut clarity, post nut clarity. That's what it's called.
Yeah, so a man thinks straight after he comes.
Does it not get meaner?
Yeah, you become.
Because that's why the
no,
girls
it becomes
always compare
because
after.
it shows you are really the
the
real
real
you.
you
Wow.
yeah you come back to your senses
Wow.
now you are you
Oh, you don't wanna come? Okay, it's fine.
it's fine okay
Wow, guys.
Yeah,
Oh.
you get clarity.
ngoba during that time
Get clarity.
hey
Your mind is retracted too much.
Yes.
uvuma yonke into yonke into
Even
Oh
if
my God.
umuntu udinga imali uzomsendela.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Thank you for the advice, guys. The advice lenika yona.
once what
Ah.
Yeah, boy.
Abuye emqondweni wakhe
Do you know a lot of guys
God.
after they use hands,
Mm-hmm.
they cancel appointments.
Really?
Yeah, they cancel you because they think, alright, this is a bad decision.
Mm.
Really?
Kahle kahle
Yeah.
into ebingiphethe yile ngoba sekuphumele into sengi-right. Hayi ngoba bengifuna
You
ukuya
come in is a
lapho.
bad decision.
Ah,
You come into over is a bad decision.
it's a bad decision.
Or I'm cheating or something. It's now that they think, oh, I'm
Umqondo
cheating now. I don't want to
yes.
cheat.
Uyabuya.
I suka, but it's fine because now Busiapi is the girl. Busiapi. And usually it's this sneaky link kind of situations, you know? These situationships. Oh, guys, I could never. I'm too sensitive.
Also, like Mjola guys,
I'm too
is admin.
sensitive.
I get me.
Can I
Imagine
please
if-
have the admin?
I
Imagine
get
if you
me.
have a side chick. No, I'm talking about like a cheater.
Okay.
If you have a side chick and then you have a muntu wako, now you slept with the side chick. The side chick wants to cuddle. Now you have
So
to
it's difficult
pretend
to cuddle a side chick.
you have someone you love.
Yo, guys.
Uyayibona-ke manje lento.
Yo.
That's why I'm saying it's admin because she will expect you to cuddle.
Yes.
And that someone, now you have someone. Now you have to
Oh,
pretend
guys.
and cuddle.
And wena awukho la.
You're not there. You just want to nut and go.
Well,
Especially if you
yes.
came already. You came, your mind now is.
I just wanna
Usuyabuza
go
ucabanga
home.
endlini ucabanga ya umuntu osendlini yazi into ngijwayela kabi ukuthi ngigqoke ngihamba.
I could never. Yo, I think I'd cry right there and then you'd feel awkward right in front of you.
That's why I get it. It's admin to cheat. Like he's admin.
I think as a woman, if when you love yourself and you go for men that love you, there's a lot of nonsense that you don't experience. I'm very quick to spot a man that loves me and a man that doesn't. Because there are men that don't love me. And I'm so quick, but this one doesn't love me. I cut you off immediately because I don't want to experience nonsense. This thing you were saying here that a man comes and then he looks the other way.
Yeah.
I've never experienced because I could never.
So imagine as a
You avoid a lot.
a lot.
You avoid a lot. And women know when they loved.
Kunamasajika awamelayo leyo nto. Futhi uyazi ukuthi yazi
never.
uDlamini uyeza mayifika lana akakhulumi lutho into ayifunayo uyashaya.
And she's okay with that.
Right, same time ngena eshaweni uyagqoka uyaphuma uyahamba.
Our souls. There's no way.
Done.
And it's a matter of you just love the person, it's not even money. You are guys, no.
Ngaleso sikhathi wena umthandi unomuntu wakhe endlini.
My
Into efunayo
God.
yile.
That's why-
But
that's why-
yena uya
That's why.
You are Dlamini.
uyafrosta.
That's why people don't believe in love because you have someone that you love,
Uh-huh.
and then now you have a side chick.
Mm-hmm.
The next thing you're no longer spending time with your person because you are busy multitasking.
Mm-hmm.
But if you spend time with a partner, you're gonna experience real love
Of course.
because you're not gonna be distracted.
That's true.
Bhekane nomuntu oyi-one.
But now people end up thinking that love is not beautiful thing or mutual is not nice because they are multitasking.
Yeah.
So they don't get to experience
the
real
one
love.
partner. You are guys. Can you again cheat a man?
And I
Leave
feel
a
like men
message?
cheat more.
That goes both ways.
Men cheat more though.
Okay,
Women
I
get
don't
to-
know.
Ish.
I don't know when it
men
comes to that
cheat
topic.
more and basheshe babanjwe. Abantu besifazane they cheat but
Baba.
umbambe.
Mara, who cheat more? Is it men or women?
Hayi men.
I don't know.
It's
Men.
men, yeah.
Men.
Men, innit?
Men.
Yeah, it's men.
Ah, ndiyazi lento sikuyo.
Ukuthi uzumbamba umuntu wesifazane ukuthi lo uyagangela.
It takes a while.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Oh my
Lapho so
goodness.
invest.
That's why
Your
it's
time,
very,
your money,
You
your
need to go back
emotions.
now.
Ne?
that's why it's very important about like whoever you are with in a relationship. If you are buying sneakers, if you are building her mother's back rooms, don't think of demolishing them when the relationship ends.
Actually, yo. But why are you building? It's building for your mother's, your girlfriend's mother.
People do that. No, they do it out of love. That's what I'm saying. It's not a bad thing, but are you thinking straight?
Yeah.
You know.
You understand?
Mm.
So don't do that, and then the next thing you wanna demolish them. Whatever you do it knowing what it. If the relationship
Doesn't
ends,
work. I have to leave these houses here.
yeah. People do when they don't know.
But it's the same
People
thing as,
people even buy them their mother-in-law's clothes and all
yeah.
these things.
But it's the same thing as these really rich guys who date girls and then buy them designer, and then when the relationship ends, they
The
want
Porsches, they
to take
take them.
the designer back.
It's
And it's just
sad.
like who's a tinny baggy as a man.
Doesn't matter, madam.
Yeah, that's
Mzo-
what's the
It's
It's
answer.
like queens, ne? They buy them the Porsche and then they'll take them,
Yeah,
especially the thugs.
yeah.
But it's also dangerous if you're gonna say no. Because
No to what?
if
to
you're
the
gonna
car?
say no to whatever they wanna take, because they can kill
Oh,
you.
of course,
Yeah.
of course, of course.
You see, now we have
It's their money.
She's like Queen getting the hits and all that.
Yeah.
We don't know what is behind that. Hit.
What's happening? Yeah.
What if there is 5 million in her account that
Involved,
that
yes.
is they were using her account to clean
Yeah.
now? They
Yeah.
want it back, but they don't want.
Exactly. Oh, guys,
So-
there's a lot going on.
I'm
Yes.
telling you,
Uninzi.
Yo, mdasekhaya.
Njolo is an extreme sport.
Ne?
It's extreme.
I don't know if I want to go
Njolo is more
back.
dangerous than accident.
Wow. Wow.
Do you know people get admitted because of
Umjolo.
Njolo?
Yeah, that's true. I've been admitted,
You see?
but I went to therapy though. Not admitted, but I had to go to therapy.
Ngenxa umjolo.
My 4-year relationship. Yo, that guy showed me flames. Listen,
4 years.
I'll never forget that man. You? I went to I was sleepwalking. I was sleepwalking. My cousin was staying at Stain City at the time. I went to go visit my cousin, and she had like a get together. Get together, we drank, then people went home, and I was sleeping over. Did I not sleepwalk out of Stain City?
Ah.
I woke up barefoot in the middle of Stain City, 4 a.m. I didn't know where the house was, and I was shocked. Like, what am I doing outside? Went into a white couple's house. The woman was Chinese, the guy was white. Did we not fight? Did they not call the police? Did I not say these bastards stole me? They took me, but I'm the one that went into the house. Went to jail. They took me to jail. I slept at jail. Called an ex. I called my ex the next day. He had to pay for bail. Ne? There was an entire like court case.
He's
I
getting
had to
arrested.
go.
How?
I know.
Can I use that on my title on this video?
You can.
Yes, please, yes.
You know, and then went to the doctor. He wrote to the doctor that no man, this person is not mentally okay. Went to the court shame and they dropped the charges. Like, oh my God, sorry, we didn't know. So they dropped the charges. But you understand that led to that, how hurt I was. Then after that, I was like, you know what, I need therapy. I'm not fine. And it was not my first time sleepwalking
Because of Njolo.
because of a man. Yeah?
Njolo guys
So,
is not the famous
listen.
ones.
Dangerous.
That's why Njolo is more dangerous than anything else.
Yeah. After that, I was celibate
Yeah,
for a year.
sithanda ukuzinika admin engenasidingo nathi. Because like if unomuntu wakho mfethu.
Abona naye?
Umuntu mfethu.
Yeah, true.
Yabo?
That's why if rather
But
be
you
single,
do that, and shit can still happen. Like
rather be
me.
single, man. If you feel like you can't
Yeah,
handle Njolo.
Yeah,
rather
I think
be
I love
single.
too deeply.
So
Well, in that
ungenile
situation.
uyangena.
That's why I'm picky.
But you can't control
and
your heart.
that's why I'm very careful.
Lo
You know?
control yakhe inhliziyo.
I do.
Yabo?
But when I'm in.
People go as far as getting that thing,
What?
love potion.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate that shit.
Go far as
But
that.
bayayisebenzisa.
I know.
As much as you hate it.
And it's a lot of women that do. I think I think
Mostly.
I think
But I feel like I
it's
sevenza.
Abantu-
I feel like listen to
besifazane.
I feel like listen to this
Absolutely.
sevenza if when uvuma ukuthi sevenza or I don't know. Man.
No, that's not true, Lily.
Yeah.
Then his Twitter wouldn't work on me.
But
With the countless Twitters I've gotten from friends.
it's truthful.
Yes, I've had a lot of Twitters.
It was.
Friends, sometimes it will be a man's ex, sometimes it will be
Lisa.
a man's baby
Twitters.
mama. My most recent Twitter was from a baby mama. Don't laugh, Lavin, it's not funny.
It was.
But if you are seven, Mara, I know.
No, I don't believe in
yasebenza
it
yashaya.
works,
but-
Lily, even if you don't believe
But
in those
you know what
things.
I'm still questioning. Like I don't know if we spoke about this last time or but Gogo Skoteni
We spoke about
said
it.
we sebenzisile ku indoda yakhe. Mara they still broke up.
But did you see how that ended? Did it not turn out physically abusive?
Oh yeah.
So I even think the
Oh,
love potions
ish.
sometimes, I wouldn't know, but don't they make
Yeah.
us lie
Yeah,
violent as
actually.
well?
Yeah, I feel like that it
Actually-
leads to that. Yeah,
You
you are right.
Wait. So
No,
bakushaya ngesichitho mama.
A lot of times. There's a point where I had a Twitter every year. It was either from a friend.
So Tito is like
Oh, a
many
guy's
I
ex.
can't approach you.
Yes, and you become irritating when it's dinner. You
Umuntu
grow
mayibuka
pimples.
uyanyanya ngathi akakudabula ngempama.
Yes, and you have pimples. I mean, I've got good skin. it's not normal for me to have pimples.
Guys,
But
being a black
during
person,
that period-
being a black person is an extreme sport.
It is.
For
Oh,
real.
it is.
For
Oh,
real.
really, I've had many encounters, many screeches, many. So I'm even very careful
That's why
with
ngithi abantu
friends.
besifazane banesibindi.
Yeah, I don't even like friends, nje. Because friends have traumatized
Choose
me.
your friends
You?
very wise.
Exactly. There's a friend that once put muti in my alcohol. Muti in my alcohol.
For you to
Not for me to, but for me to have anger issues, and for it also did this
Yes,
triator.
we are 1 hour in.
The guy I was dating at the time just dumped me out of the blue. Nothing happened. We only found out later when my mom went to an all-night prayer. That, oh, by the way. So friends, you I
What's bad?
kunenye I saw this Shandis lena ubani umjida lona I saw it on TikTok athi there's a new way of getting abantu besifazane drunk and sleep at the same time.
but that's not witchcraft.
Then we are able to
Isn't it spiking?
bathi bathenga i6 pack yabo kuba i6 pack bathatha that 6 pack injalo bengayivuli bayifaka ebhodweni bayibilise injalo bayibilise from there bayibuyisele efridge
What?
ibande futhi.
Is it spiritual stuff?
What is it? No,
No,
it's
it's
like spiking.
spiking, yeah. Bayithatha injalo bayifaka efridge from there and bayibeka phi kwetafula.
And then it's inside.
Once you drink it,
Sleep.
sleep. You're gone. You
Guys.
gone. You wake up the next day more till listening angiyazi.
That's why in J sit-ins with strangers.
That's why now it's December. People must be more careful.
More than
Absolutely,
careful.
Absolutely.
More than careful. Because things that are happening
Mama, no put
in
it
December.
Kahle, we must just avoid eating at the weird places. Like
Yeah.
if you don't trust your cousins, don't eat.
Ungadli.
If you don't trust your friends,
Yeah.
don't
Don't
eat.
eat.
There's a friend of mine who almost died because of my cousin.
Cousins,
Yeah.
your own
My
family.
cousin.
Yeah. Bamfakela ipoison amagundane.
Ha,
6 months esibhedlela.
it's bad, bro.
6 months esibhedlela.
Why did they
Is he
want to
fine
kill?
now?
Yeah, alright man.
Why did they want to kill him?
Sebenza kahle.
Oh, but
Yeah,
jealousy,
that's-
jealousy amongst black families is so
Yeah,
ridiculous.
Oh yini
It's a
tata
big thing.
mhlobami sebenza kahle.
Oh my god.
But it's like that actually in families. Like
That is so ridiculous.
families always want to kill each
Family
other. I
very
don't know why.
dangerous. Yeah, you're dangerous.
I'm
Bulawa
very low.
Guys, I think we can close.
Yeah, we can go
Yeah.
ahead.
Oh yini no.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, I
If they want more, we'll come back.
Yes, we'll absolutely come back. Guys, please let
Yeah.
us know in the comments if you like this kind of content so that we can create more for you
Send
guys.
us gifts, send us super stickers, whatever
Yeah.
it is.
Yes.
Thumelani.
Thank you.
And like, comment,
nizositshela
share.
ukuthi siqhubeke siyenze
Yeah.
lento or not.
Like, comment, share, push that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post.
Siyabonga.